Hello students, today we are going to do present tense. So here are four further parts of present tense. First one is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So we have come to know present tense has four parts. 2. The simple present tense. Here is a rule. For in this simple present tense, we use first form of the verb, or sometimes with first form of the verb, we use s or es. Now the question comes in our mind where we will use s or es. With third person singular, it should be singular, like he, she, it, or a name of any person. These comes under the category of third person singular. So firstly we will see the example here. Like if I am writing here I like milk, it's example of simple present tense. If I want to change this in a negative, then we will use here helping verb don't like milk. I do not like milk. And interrogative sentence, we will start with a helping verb do I like milk, and at last we will mark here question mark. And another example is here he likes milk. So he is the third person, that's why we will use with like s, and it will become he likes milk. And if we will change this into negative form, then with he we will write here does not like. We will write here does not because s is here, so that's why we will write here does. Here is not s, then we will write here do. So does not like milk. If we want to change the same sentence in interrogative form, we will start the sentence with does he like milk. The next tense is present continuous tense. In this rule, subject is MR plus verb की first form and ing we will use. And you know very well where we use is. Is we use with singular, am we will use with I, and are we will use with plural or start with the U. So firstly, affirmative example, negative and interrogative. Example of affirmative is here, like I am writing here I am reading. So am reading, am I write here am, and verb की first form plus ing. I am writing a read verb की form and ing. We will use ing add. ठीक है. Then when we use the affirmative sentences, we want to change the affirmative sentences into negative. Then I am not, like here I am negative, subject is mr plus not, means help after helping verb we will use here not. I am not reading. If we want to the same sentence change into interrogative, then it will start with the helping verb am I reading, and with this we will write here question mark. Okay. And where we use uses of present continuous tense to express what is happening at the time of speaking, we use here. And in simple present tense, where we use this simple present tense to describe the habitual actions, means daily habits or universal truth. With universal truth we will write here simple present tense. Okay. And the work for habitual actions, daily actions. And another sentence is now present perfect tense. Here is the rule has, have plus verb की third form. Where we use has or have, has we will use with singular, and have we will use with plural and plus you. Okay. The always keep in mind in present perfect tense we will use has, have, has or have plus verb की third form. ठीक है. Affirmative has, have plus verb की third form. Negative has, have plus not plus verb की third form. In interrogative we will put question mark and we start the sentence with has and have. And where we use it, we use to express an action which has just been completed, or to express action which began in the past and has continued up to present. मतलब बैक में अभी स्टार्ट हुए थे, ठीक है, पास में स्टार्ट हुए थे, बट अभी काम चल रहा है, अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है. दैट्स वाई वी विल यूज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, ठीक है. ही हैज़ डन हिज वर्क, इट इज़ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. सेम सेंटेंस वी विल चेंज इनटू नेगेटिव. हैज़ with after has we will put here note. He has not done his work. When we change into interrogative, we want to change this into interrogative, then we will start with helping verb. Has he not done his work, then put question mark. Then next, present perfect continuous tense, where we will use to express an action which began in the past but still continuing means it has been raining since morning से बारिश हो रही है but अभी भी continue है, अभी भी हो रही है. That's why we will use present perfect continuous tense, and generally we find since and for at the last of the sentence. First example is affirmative has, have plus been plus verb की first form और ing. इसका example है we have been writing books. We have been writing books. Then negative, we have not, have after have we will put here not. We have not been writing books. Then again interrogative, have we been writing books. Last में question mark. That's it. Thank you, students.